Welcome back for another visit to Gaping Gill. This time we're walking up from Clapham via Ingborough Cave and looking at resurgences and other features of speleological interest. The show cave was once a resurgence, but now water emerges from Beckhead Cave after spending 11 to 14 days underground. In flood it's much less. Foxholes is another abandoned resurgence. This was connected to Ingborough Cave a few years ago. Above here lies a very interesting valley. This old feature runs parallel to Trowgill. It includes an impressive gorge but few obvious cave entrances apart from Owl Hole, the fragment of an ancient phreatic passage. It is difficult terrain, generously supplied with nettles and angular limestone boulders. Next door is the spectacular Trowgill. At the end of the last ice age, a river carried meltwater from the flanks of Ingleborough. The entrance may have formed a mini Malham Cove before waters cut the main gorge. The narrow top end resembles an unroofed Vados cave formed by a long vanished stream that diminished as the caves began to thaw and water returned underground. To the right is the head of our other valley, cut by a younger Trowgill. The dry valley above Trowgill leads to an amphitheatre just before Bar Pot. This was once a resurgence for the system, with deep waters rising up the Big Pitch Rift complex. This is the oldest part of Gaping Gill, with passages very close to the surface. Extensive and deep grikes meet cave development below, causing block collapse and forming Bar Pot entrance. The main path continues over Berry Clint, but to the right a shallow valley leads in an arc via several shake holes to Fell Beck upstream of Gaping Gill. Glacial drift hides a deeper valley carved into the underlying limestone made by an earlier stream.